Hi guys, another day, another unboxing of GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. This one is Palit dual non-OC version. It works at the full specification of the model. That means 1410 MHz base clock, 1665 MHz boost clock, 14 gigabits per second GDDR6, 8 gigabytes of it, and 256 bits of memory bus. The Tdp is 200 watts. It seems a little thin, so let's see. Black box. A leaflet and the card itself, and there is nothing else. It seems rather light. Has a nice looking black backplate that seems to be plastic, however. Single 8-pin power connector, 2 fans, and pure dual slot width of the card, so you can mount it in many different cases. We have 3 heat pipes, from what I see, and a lot of fins. The usual holes on the backside for the pass-through of the air are available. And we have 3 display ports and a single HDMI on the front. That's it, guys. Have a nice day and bye.